In this video, I want to show you a really interesting keyword tool, which is answerthepublic.com. I'll have the URL in the description of this video. But look at what it does. I'm going to enter a keyword like business plan, and it's going to collect keywords in a really very different way than we've ever looked at from the other tools. If we say here, get questions, it's going to think for a few seconds, and it's telling us it's going to think, and then it's going to present us this data in a really unique way. It's going to populate this area. Boom. I'm going to try to make it bigger, but it doesn't become that much bigger. Hopefully you'll be able to see what's happening here. They break up the questions in like can, will, are. So for example, we search for business plan, and on the point of where, it's like where to start a business plan, where to do a business plan, where to make. Maybe those are not so helpful, but maybe how to do a business plan layout, how to do a business plan in Hindi, how does a business plan look like? Those all have keyword variety, and a lot of them obviously will be not useful because some of them just don't make English sense. But a lot of them, they're fantastic blog post topics. If you really want to have very strong keyword coverage, you can have multiple blogs covering topics whenever there's a difference enough in topics that it requires a different post. Or if you have the same post just with a very similar keywords, one post can cover a bunch of these keywords, and you'll have that here. You see, so you can explore this very deeply because it's interesting and it presents keywords in a very different way. And this can give you a whole new dimension with which to approach your keyword research.